Hello everyone, I'm Benis Kumar Moses, a behavior and finance expert. Today, let us dive into something every investor feels but rarely talks about, the paralyzing fear of regret. We are going to discuss how you can build a regret-proof investing strategy and stop letting fear dictate your financial future. Picture this. The market takes a nosedive. Your gut screams sell, but another voice whispers, what if it bounces back tomorrow and I miss out? Or maybe you see a stock soaring, but you hesitate, thinking, what if I buy at the peak and it crashes? This is regret aversion in action. It's that painful sting from a past mistake, that one stock you sold too early or didn't buy at all, that now makes you freeze. You become so afraid of making the wrong move that you end up making no move at all. But here's the hard truth. Inaction is often the most expensive decision you can make. So, how do we break free from this cycle? The secret is to reframe your mindset. An investment that doesn't go your way isn't a failure. It's feedback. It's a tuition payment to the school of the market. The best way to use this feedback is to create a system that takes your emotions out of the driver's seat. Before you even invest a single dollar, create pre-commitment rules. Decide on your entry and exit points ahead of time. Set clear limits for how much you'll allocate to any single investment. This isn't about predicting the future. It's about controlling your own behavior when things get chaotic. Another powerful tool is automation. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. This way, you're consistently investing whether the market is up or down, and your own hesitation can't get in the way of your long-term progress. Think of your portfolio as a laboratory. Each decision is an experiment. Some will work out fantastically, others won't. The goal isn't to be right 100% of the time. No one is. The goal is to learn from every outcome, adjust your strategy, and continuously evolve as an investor. Wealth isn't built by avoiding mistakes. It's built by learning from them and consistently making calculated decisions. Each move, win or lose, strengthens your financial wisdom. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. I'd love to hear about your own experiences with regret aversion in the comments below. Thank you and see you in the next video.